Here we have the Predator 9500 generator from Harbor Freight. The carbon monoxide sensor that sits right here is not working properly. Generator keeps shutting off after 30 seconds. I'm gonna start it and show you. And there's the carbon monoxide sensor flashing. So it just shut off. It's got 10 hours on it. Every video I've seen, they talk about cutting wires and disconnecting and cutting and blah, 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 blah. Well, really all you got to do is disconnect this, unplug it, get you a jumper, any kind of wire, paper clip, anything. And it's going to be the two bottom wires, the white and the yellow and green. You're going to jump those two together just like, it's kind of hard to do. Just like that. That's all you got to do. You don't have to cut nothing. You can wrap some electrical tape around that. You'll be good to go. Now here we go. Here's the final test. See if this bad boy start back up. So there you have it, a way to bypass this dude if you're in a pinch, but I recommend replacing it because they say it's good. You don't want to be in a closed circuit and have carbon monoxide poisoning happening, because that's what this thing is detecting, carbon monoxide. So hope this helps, and this will save you from cutting stuff. No need to cut. Like, I only unplugged one thing, jumped it, we're good. Runs fine. See you next time.